Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we will create this. If you are new in this channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will always be updated to my new uploads. So without further ado, let's get it started. We will have three parts in our tutorial. First part is we will create an image using Pixellab. First thing that we will need to do is to change the image size. So let's change the image size into YouTube thumbnail. Then click OK. Now that we have changed the image size, next thing we will need to do is to edit our default text. So I will change it into JSON TV, and you can type any text that you want. Then click Done. Click OK. Next step is to change its font style. So let's locate Font. You can now choose any font style that you like. As for me, I will use Boycott. Then click OK. Now we will resize our text. And now we will create new shape. Let's resize our new shape. Now let's change the color of our new shape into black. Then click the check button above. As you can see, our text is gone, so it's behind the black shape. So now we will interchange the layer by clicking edit layer, then send to back. And now we can see our text. We will now merge our two layers by clicking the selection icon, then select both of the layers, then click the merge icon, then click OK. Now our two layers become one. Now let's hide our layers panel. So our next step is to make the text transparent. So let's locate erase color. Now click enabled. And now, as you can see, our text shows the color of our background. That means that our text becomes transparent. Now click the check mark above. Now we want to remove our default background, so we will click transparent. So as you can see, our text becomes totally transparent. And now that we finished creating our image, let's click save, then save as image, then click save to gallery. And now for the second part, we will create the fire effect of our text. So let's open our Kinemaster app, click add empty project, then click 16:9 ratio, then click background, and click black solid, then click OK. Now click layer, then click media, then let's locate our green screen effect, and after you locate it, click the check button above. And now let's remove the green background, so click chroma key, then click enabled. If your key color is not green, then click key color and select color green. Adjust the sliders until you remove the green background. Then click OK. And now for the next step, we will add the image that we created in Pixellab. So let's click layer, then click media, then open Pixellab folder, then locate your image. Now click split screen, then select full screen, and click the check button above. And now we will adjust our green screen effect until we get the desired color for our text. After you adjust and resize the green screen effect, click the check button. As you can see, there is a black gap inside our text. So let's click layer, click media, then click background, then select color red. Let's change the red into a stronger color red. Then click OK. Now let's resize our solid red, and then send it to back. Then click the check button above. Let's select our green screen effect and readjust it until you have the color red on the bottom and on the top, and color yellow in the middle. After you get your desired output, you can now export the animation. And now for the third part, we will now add the dashing fire effect. So let's open our Kinemaster app. Click add new empty project. Then select 16:9. Now let's open background folder and click on solid black. Then click OK. Now increase the duration of your black solid background. Now we will add the fire text that we created on the part 2. So click layer, then click on media, and then locate your fire text. Then click the check button above. And now we will add the dashing fire effect. So let's click on layer, then click media. We will now locate for our dashing fire effect. Now go to split screen, then click on full screen. Now let's go back to the other functions. So let's click on chroma key, then enable it. Now you can go to key color if you haven't selected color green yet, or if you want greener you can select other color green depending on the darkness or lightness of your green screen. And now we will adjust the two sliders until we remove all the green screen. And then click the check button if you're done. And now I want our text to show after the dashing fire passed in the middle. Now let's long press our fire text effect layer and adjust it. Now select our dashing fire effect layer, then click in animation, and let's select wipe right. Then click the check button above. And now let's reduce the duration of our black background and match it in the end of our dashing fire effect. Then click the check button above. And so that's it for our dashing fire effect. And now for the last step is we will add two effects. In order to add effects, click layer, then click on effect. Then let's locate and select light flare. Then click on the light flare on the right side, then click the check button. And now we have our light flare, so let's adjust its duration and also adjust its size. As you can see, there are changes in our fire text and also for our dashing fire effect, but we don't want that color, so let's tweak some settings. So we will adjust the settings until we get our desired fire-like texture or color. Then click on the check button after you change the settings. And for the second additional effects, let's click again the layer, then click effects. Then let's locate and select mirage. Then click the mirage effect on the right side, then click the check button. And now resize the mirage effect. We can also adjust the starting frame of our mirage effect. So now we will change the settings of our mirage. So click on settings and adjust the values. And after that, click the check button. Now go on the first frame and let's check our animation. So now we're done with our animation. So now we can export it. So select your resolution and frame rate, then click on export. So that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope you love my tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials.